Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing mixed on Tuesday. Shares in pharmaceuticals, biotech and life sciences, tech, hardware and equipment, and healthcare equipment and services sectors all higher, while shares in transportation, household personal products, and food, beverage and tobacco, they were all under pressure. Now, on the economic data front yesterday, the FHFA housing price index in January unchanged 0.5%, in line with expectations. In other news, the manufacturing PMI in March reaching a preliminary rate of 51.4 compared to 51.3 during the previous month. Meanwhile, decliners beating out advancers, 60% of SP 500 constituents trading lower yesterday. Now, after the market closed making headlines, we first begin with Nike reporting third quarter EPS of 55 cents versus 45 cents 1 year ago on sales of $8 billion compared to 7.5 the previous year. The company saying that future orders for Nike brand athletic footwear and apparel scheduled for delivery for its current quarter are up 12% versus orders reported for the same period 1 year earlier. On to Google. Its cloud business has officially nabbed Home Depot as a client, and Conagra Foods beginning to add labels to products nationwide by July 2016 to meet Vermont's GMO labeling requirements. And of equally important news, Twitter considering new product stickers that would let users add images to photos before tweeting them out. This reported by Recode. Now turning overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei down just about 0.25%. The Hang Seng down 0.25% exactly, while South Korea's Kospi down 0.08%. European markets are mostly upward, and U.S. futures calling for a soft open. Now, due out today in terms of earnings, PVH Corporation, fourth quarter EPS seen at $1.46 on sales of approximately $2.1 billion. And on the economic dock at 10 o'clock this morning, February new home sales figures, they are due out for release. Now, regarding the trend on indices, Trading Central says the SP 500 sees its intraday support around 2027. The relative strength index lacking downward momentum, so long positions above 2027 are favored, with targets at 2053 and 2058 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, seeing further upside, preferring long positions above 43.85, and the Dow Jones sees its intraday support around 17,430, therefore preferring long positions above 17,430.